Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting chemistry lessons by Adrenaline the Bazooka Prophet. Now on the board, we're going to be taking a question on molality for students preparing for exams. Now the question says, what is the molality of a 0.5 molar H₂SO₄ solution with a density of 1.18 gram per cm cube? Now I'll be giving you a shortcut on how to calculate for it with ease. Now, step one, know that the formula is N is equal to, molality, right? Molality is equal to number of moles of solute over the kilogram of what now? The solvent, right? Now, to get for this number of moles, remember 0.5 molar H₂SO₄, which is this 0.5 molar H₂SO₄, is the same thing as saying 0.5 mole what per dm cube, meaning your N here, which is number of moles, is already 0.5. Take note, meaning from this molar concentration, you get your number of moles. Take note, that applies to all questions. So here becomes 0.5 over. Now, the next task is to be able to get for the kilogram of solvent. Now, solution is equal to solvent plus solute, right? Solvent plus solute. Now, to get for the mass of solvent now, it will now be equal to solution minus that of the solute, right? Because solution is equal to solvent plus solute. So if you move solute to the other side, you give me minus solute, right? Now, to get for the mass of the solution, take note, you get it from your density here. Why? Density is equal to mass per unit volume. So you make mass the subject of the formula. But for easy sake, what do? Just multiply this one by 1000. You will get for the mass of the solution, which is, you multiply it by 1000, it will be 1.18 times 1000, give me 1180 minus. Now, to get for the mass of the solute now, don't forget that number of moles is equal to mass over molar mass. I'm looking for the mass here. Mass is equal to number of moles times molar mass, right? Number of moles here is simply 0.5, which is of the H₂SO₄, multiplied by the molar mass of H₂SO₄. Is simply, hydrogen is 1. They always give them to you, which is the related atomic mass. They always give them to you. I didn't put it here. 1 times 2 is 2. Plus sulfur is always 32. Oxygen is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. Altogether is 98. So here is 98. When you multiply it, you get 49 grams rather. So here becomes 49. When you subtract, you'll be having 1131 gram. Now take note. You have the grams here now. Convert this gram to kilogram by dividing by 1000, which will now give me 1.131 kilogram of the solvent. Remember, the solution here is H₂SO₄ and water. So here becomes 1.131, which when you divide, the final answer should give you 0.442 molar. This is the unit. Capital letter M as unit is for molarity. Small letter m unit is for molarity. Look at it. Molarity. Molality. Take note, this is the final answer to this question. And this marks the end of this video. Do well to subscribe, like, and share if this video does make sense to you. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye.